I'm standing outside of the office in a small park. Notice that the park is almost empty. I wanted to make a big announcement. We have been able to create a complete coaching suite online, which will be available very soon. Be on the lookout for our bigger announcement when it's launched. Hopefully in the next few days. It could be less than a week, where you and your loved ones anywhere on the planet can log in and receive full coaching. We will be mailing them a smart scale so that their body composition is being tracked on a continual basis, a Fitbit, so that their movement, their sleep, their food, everything is being tracked in real time all the time. We want to make sure that this coronavirus does not really affect those who are overweight, because 28% of those that actually die of the coronavirus are overweight. Close to 40% have diabetes. So we want to make sure that chronic disease is addressed. It is a plan that is a wellness plan that has a weight loss component, that has a diabetes component, all of the chronic diseases that most people who are 50 plus have at least one of, like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and so forth. So I have created a complete plan that addresses all of these things, where you will get the food recommendations, the recipes every single day coming to you through the app. We have created the app for that. You can also get it by email every single day. The exercise every single day, you'll get your assignment, and if I want you to do certain types of exercise, I'll be sending you a video that shows exactly how it is done. The entire thing can be done at home, entirely at home. It seems that we're going to be staying at home for a few weeks more than what we expected originally. But we have to do what we have to do. We cannot allow the coronavirus to spread quickly. We do not have the healthcare reserves and capacity to address that if it does spread quickly. So we do have to stay at home, but we cannot afford to sit home and start eating foods that are not healthy and lose sleep and so forth. We cannot do that, because this is the category that's dying of the corona. The rest would have the corona, they contracted, they may have symptoms. Some of them have almost no symptoms, but the symptoms can be very severe and they can cause death if you are not taking care of yourself. So if you're already overweight, or if you know anybody who's overweight, we will have it launched in English only, but we will have it translated also to all languages, so that, not all languages, but all major languages, obviously, so that anybody on the planet can do it. So right now, we're working on it. It'll be announced very soon. Anybody who speaks English can do it. It's extremely, extremely simple, you see? So you can do everything that you need to do in terms of your routine, your lifestyle, for sleep, for movement, for food, and so forth, so you're well, you see? And that's how you can take care of your immune system. We will also have a section where certain supplements are recommended for the immune system. Also, we have a few tests that will make available to you also, that will help us get to understand whether or not you're ready to do what you need to do to be healthy. Okay, so be on the lookout for this. Disseminate this particular video to everybody you know, so they are also on the lookout. We may not be able to service everybody immediately, although I'm trying to make sure that my team is creating a plan that can be as automatic as possible, so we can really help as many people as possible. So right now, just send this to your loved ones anywhere, any state, any country. If they speak English, we can help them. Okay? Thank you very much. Take care. Stay safe.